We'll go ahead and reconvene the Maverick County Commissioners Court from executive session at 7:45 p.m. and on Wednesday, May 14th, 2025. We'll go ahead and proceed with the executive session items that have been presented in closed session. Item number 3 that has been requested of the executive session, I believe in regards to this particular matter, Commissioner, we're looking at recommendation to direct legal to review the potential contracts with TxDOT regarding the street lights that are being requested. Is that correct? Very well. Is that your motion?
That's my motion.
Very well. Motion has been made by Commissioner Ramos. There is a second by Commissioner Reese. Discussion? Being that there is none, all those in favor, please raise your right hand. Unanimous. Item number 36. Discussion and appropriate action to approve or to apply some recycled asphalt on Chapel Crest. I believe, Commissioner, this also is an item that is being directing legal to provide the necessary research and review to the court and report back at the next possible meeting.
Correct.
Very well. Is that your motion?
That's my motion.
Motion has been provided by Commissioner Ramos. Is there a second? Second by Commissioner Reese. Discussion. Being that there is none, all those in favor, please raise your right hand. Unanimous. And I think we just the battery just ran out on this one. I'm amazed it lasted that long. Do you have the actual number there for legal on this one? Also, we'll proceed with the next on the agenda. Discussion and appropriate action to request the status on emergency water declaration for the Maverick County Water Airport Waterworks. There's been, of course, after the lengthy discussion that was held in executive session, I believe that there's a recommendation to report back or to receive a report back from legal regarding those potential matters to review those on the case by the next Commissioners Court meeting.
Correct. That's my motion.
Motion has been made by Commissioner Ramos. There's second. Second by Commissioner Reese. Discussion? Being that there is none, all those in favor, please raise your right hand. Unanimous. Item number 37. Discussion and appropriate action. 38. Discussion and appropriate action to approve fiscal 25 year budget amendments. I believe, based on the discussions that were held in executive session regarding the budget amendments in question. Do you have those budget amendments there for you, Commissioner? I believe items number 2 on the budget amendment list, we're going to hold off on those based on the review that still needs to be done with the department, the Sheriff's Department on that matter. And I believe that at this point we will report back by the next Commissioners Court meeting regarding the second cluster of budget amendment requests that are being submitted. Is that correct? Correct. Yes. So with that, then we'll go ahead and report back and hopefully have an answer by the next available Commissioners Court meeting to get this item moved. So outside of there, this is just items number 1, 3, 4, and 5 on the budget amendments that will be approved or that I'm recommending at this time for approval to the court for its consideration. Is there a motion to that effect? Motion has been made by Commissioner Rios, second by Commissioner Reese. Discussion? Is there any clarification by the auditors?
1, 3, 4, and 5.
So 1, 3, 4, and 5 are approved. Item number 2, that cluster, we're removing that until the next possible meeting in order for us to review that with the Sheriff's Department.
And number 6. Is there number 6?
We didn't have number 6. Is there another one?
Was there number 6?
Item number 6 for the 293rd Judicial, that's correct. They had an emergency this morning with their air unit. Item number 6, which is for the 293rd District for repairs and maintenance. They're making an adjustment in their budget for $200. Okay. Is there
this
motion is item number 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is clarification for the record. A motion has been made and seconded. Further discussion? Not all those in favor, please raise your right hand. Unanimous. This is no. You can just provide it to Miss. No, you can just provide it to Miss Barrientos, please. And if we have the next on the budget, the agenda would be the item number 1. for executive session in regards to the fire and EMS agreement. Based on the information that was provided to the county by the city today in clarification, we are pending, of course, just some additional review that's going to be provided to us by legal counsel. Once we do have that information, I'll be reaching out to the court to provide that information to you all, and we more than likely will be revisiting on this item at the next court hearing, which is scheduled for next week. So at this time, I would just ask for the continued authorization for continued negotiation authority on this matter. Is there a motion to that effect?
So moved.
Motion has been made by Commissioner Rios, second by Commissioner Reese. Discussion? Being that there is none, all those in favor, please raise your right hand. Unanimous. Have we taken care of all items? Accounts payable and warrants pending. In regards to item number 41, 40, accounts payable, that list has been provided for your review, and I believe that there's one other additional accounts payable that needs to be provided to, or that needs to be added to the accounts payable. The auditors have provided a PO number 250020, invoice number 000432, vendor MDTPS, in the amount of $5,430. Correct?
Correct.
Yes. Okay.
So moved.
Motion has been made by Commissioner Ramos. Is there a second?
Second.
Second by Commissioner Rios. Discussion? Being that there is none, all those in favor, please raise your right hand. Unanimous. Item for warrants pending. Items. Is there any questions regarding warrants pending? Do we have any? I think there was. Give me 1 second. Paper copy.
So moved.
Motion has been made by Commissioner Morales, second by Commissioner Ramos. Discussion? Being that there is none, all those in favor, please raise your right hand. Unanimous. All right, item number 42, adjournment. Is there a motion? So moved. Motion made by Commissioner Morales,
Second.
second by Commissioner Rios. Discussion? Being that there is none, all those in favor, please raise your right hand. Unanimous. Thank you all very much.